Hi, this is Nathan Losey with Java 1 for October 2015, our Week 2 Fundamentals 2 project. You'll see on the screen here I've got my emulator open. This is going to be a similar application. Last time we got our 4 changes. My changes this week were to calculate the median length of the strings instead of the average, which you can already see is labeled there properly. The alert dialog needed to be updated to have 2 buttons that read OK and remove. So the remove button will close the dialog and remove the selected string from the set. Rather than removing or having it do just closing the dialog, which the OK button will still do. Those are my 2 functional changes. The cosmetic changes are change the layout to a relative layout, or from relative to linear, which you can kind of see here. It does rearrange a little bit of stuff in my string location here, but that's mostly a background change. And then we changed the name of the app to be just testing, and the title of the main activity to be just worked. That one I'll have to take you through the code, although you can see, if I tilt my camera up a little here, this is called it worked, like it's supposed to be. So to start off with here, the basic activity from the last string, and you can see I've already got some data in here, but if we click in some strings, it adds to this string. It is calculating out the median, which won't change as much since that is just the middle value in the set. I can go ahead and refire the application so that it will clear out the information. And here you can even see on the screen a little bit over here, the app is called Just Testing. Alright, so you start with 0, and if we enter a 5-character string, then 5 becomes the median characters in the string. I just hit save again on accident there, which actually added an empty string, so you'll see that now there's 2 strings, and that the median is 2.5, because that's 5 divided by 2. You'll also notice that if I hit save again, you can't add any duplicate strings. And then if we go to the index, and I want to check what index 1 is, since now it should be sorted out here. And we'll remove that from the index, and then we can show the alert again. See, now there isn't an index 1, and we can back that up and do check index 0, and there's our string. So now the most difficult part about this week was to get the we needed to sort the number, or the characters, number of characters rather, for the string list. I did this by, in addition to having my hash set, which allows for the making sure that there are no duplicate entries, I actually keep a separate array of just the number of characters in the strings, which then it sorts just those numbers and switches it around so that you can remove the data that you needed to. And then it also actually goes through and checks the strings to make sure that you can remove the correct one from the original hash set as well. And I believe that's all there is to say about this one. Oh, and then I wanted to just show that the, again, the name you can see there is the Just Testing, and we've got, again, the title of the main activity as It Worked, which were my 2 cosmetic changes. That's it for this week, and we'll be ready for next week's project.